first time you're watching the channel, make sure you subscribe. We're there Spanish Town, and we'll make sure we shoot a couple scenes back this side so you guys can see. So if you're from Spanish Town, make sure you comment in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Bam.
Ma'am, Betty, sweetie, listen. This is not a scam. No. You're going to get your winnings. All you need to do is make sure you do what I say. All right, ma'am? Yes, go ahead and get a pen and a piece of paper. And you're gonna write this down.
Don't move. Shut up.
Officer.
You know like more make a dope your town on a boy? I see you get up by scamming people.
Officer, we can talk about this. We have money in this. If money you want, we can give you money.
Nothing like this to talk about. Call back your client.
Officer, we can't do that.
Why not?
Alright.
Don't stop the kitchen!
Sit down, man. Sit down. You seem to be causing, a lot of problems.
What you talking about?
What do you mean by what I'm talking about? That's why I call it here.
No, but me not understand what you say. Oh.
Just don't act as if. Listen. Say, they have you on tape. And that so-called young man that you said was armed, he was unarmed. And they have you on tape.
Daddy, maybe the footage in a catch. Because him the arm would just, kill him so, even though he deserve it.
Let me ask you a question. You still taking the pills?
Them done.
No, listen. Why ever since I go get you diagnosed, and them say you have a narcissistic behavior, ADHD, whatever, I get you in this force to just, belt out your anger, but not that murder. You get yourself in trouble all the time, have to keep bailing you out. Eh?
Well,
You know what string have a pull, for them not to see that tape? And just because you have a daughter, why you getting away with these things, I don't want things to look too bad, You need to control yourself, man. You say pill done, you need to take your pills.
I can't take the pill, Daddy. Pill they make me nervous. It make me have blurry vision.
Why? I pull some strings, You know what I have to go do? I have to go send you where Bush. Bush, a place called Kitchen Town. Alright? They have a news station out there. I'm going to have to put it there.
I can't. As long as I'm not dick cert me, I
This is
just
the name of the station. Green Acres. So you know what that means, You hear the sound? It's a nice eco place, calm. At least I can put you there where you can and get yourself in any problem. A quiet community. That is what I have to do. You put me in a lot of problems here. I have to be doing a lot of stuff that I shouldn't be doing.
Alright, just set the links so I can do apps, because I can't do book work. You pill they make me have blurry vision.
That's the reason why you're mistaking cell phone for gun.
Well, if you want to put it like that, then yeah, blurry vision cause it.
Alright, listen. You have to go take some time off. I'm going to send you down there. But You're not going to work right away. All right? I'm going to make you take some time off before you start work. All right? 'Cause I just can't have you jump in at the work. You have to go, know the place, know the community and stuff before you start work. All right? So you know what you do? Go get your things ready for leave. Because at the end of the day, I can't have you around there because, as I said, people don't get can understand, I go on, but I have to go ship you out. And you know say I'm that.
Alright, I really appreciate this way you do for me. And I'm really sorry for disappointing, you know.
You're sorry or you're sorry you get catch.
Well, both, because, you know, me never see camera, but...
Alright, work on go on. Sure. Think you're too big for that. Alright, my daughter. Let's take care, yeah? Go on. One. Oh, good.
So, babes, may I ask you a question? So, make you be it and come outside and sit down for a morning. I want.
You realize I'm vexed, Jay? You realize that?
Where you fix for now?
You think me an idiot? No. You think me an idiot? No, man, me face it. Because for some reason you take me for an idiot.
Where you talk about be?
Why your phone dey on silent? And why it ring after 2 in the night? Eh?
Babe, I'm a co-worker there call myself to make sure that I wait for her to go to work, brother. I don't know like what you think, brother.
So co-worker don't know boundaries.
I put my phone on silent because if my phone is on loud, it'll wake me up. And it'll hurt me.
Co-worker don't know boundaries. Eh?
Be no matter that, you just why you be so insecure?
Oh, me I be insecure.
Be you just some co-worker that don't know nothing. You be insecure about it or overthink about it, brother.
Oh, me I be insecure. Me sure if I'm me, my phone did ring in hours there that thing say, oh, is the next man a call me for Ray.
Yeah, mother think that, but you that mother ask about it, that explain to me after.
Oh, but you lie to me face right now.
Why me I lie to you?
Why your co-worker call at 2 o'clock now, man? She could have called her when she knows you wake up. Eh? Remember, see you cheat before, and me have that over your head because you lie.
You see it? You see where I code now? You see where you really code now?
Mm-hmm.
Then you talk about this. And we decide to go move on from that. And you come back with it now.
Me decide when me want to move on. Me do that. No you.
You want to
Because you go always cheat and go around and do your foolishness. That's why I can't trust you.
leave this room.
Don't touch my man. See me.
And you know why I be saying it? Boy, I really make me have a bad day at work today.
Go and go make your co-worker make you have a good day.
Stop going someone. Me a hug.
Excuse me here, sir. Excuse. I remember say me I watch you. Move.
It's alright. You always a be toxic with me. Good morning.
Morning.
Seems like you're struggling.
Yeah, kind of heavy.
You need a committee?
Technically, yes. It's just a movie and
So we're staying.
over getting communities.
Well, seems like you're struggling, so we can help with this suitcase if I want, you know.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
What? So, are you alone move coming to the committee?
Oh, yes. Just me. I wanted a change.
Because when I want your boyfriend to see me and pair of suitcase, there ain't be no problem, you know.
No, you're not worried about that. It's just me.
So what's your name though? Come on over get your name.
Chastity. You can call me Chastity.
Okay, I'm Apple J.
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice to meet you.
That's what I'd like to know more about you though.
I mean, we could exchange number because you're the first person I met here, so why not?
That no sound bad. Not sound like something I want.
Okay. You are single, yes?
I'm very much single. Just said day.
All right, so you can like give me a caller so I see that you're going to work.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a good productive day today.
Thank you very much. You're such a darling. G, what you deal with?
Right, J. What you do them side there? Charge on my boss.
Breakfast, is it?
Alright, manners.
So I
Hey,
go.
yes, sir. Why we there? You see it, me there on the hustle, you know. I sell 2
It's
charger.
a good thing. You know, 17 Pro Max case.
No. Me not at the 17, you know. But you know, so the 15 were same way. The 15 still do it, you know. Alright, yeah, man. The 15 still do it, man. See it, yeah?
Oh, brother, the 17 one, bro. Me don't want the 15, bro. 17 one, brother. That now work for me,
I mean,
dog.
them trick on with them
When I
bag
get,
a different number.
when I get the right case, I just link for my bird, dog. I'm gonna connect you.
Alright, anything you say.
You know what's one new girl when I come to dog? One if I see her.
Jay, you still a go on them with them things, brother?
What you mean?
You're not done in a committed relationship, man. You let go them things, man.
Brother, one woman kill something, man. You know that thought already, brother.
But you're in a good relationship.
Yo.
You a good woman you have, you know.
Yo, the man look good in the dog. You know see her?
Let's say we are talk.
Yo, the girl sexy and nice, brother. Just move coming there, coming to dog. You think you see her, brother?
You know where your woman do live work with you in a boss because you just mad. Every woman you see you want.
Brother, you don't come woman business, my brother. One woman kill that. Me now have to spell it out, brother. You must know what that mean.
I have to stay in your lane more. I left that for somebody else, man.
Yo, look more. Come here.
But if you tell me how she looks still.
Yo, the girl look good, brother.
Oh,
Sexy and nice.
brown.
Yeah, man. Brother, me tell you, girl nice, brother, and sexy, brother.
So just describe her a little bit, no, man.
She not brown, but she brown. And sexy.
Slim thick.
Thick.
Aye. Alright, that's alright, man.
My,
Look out for
you know,
her.
my type of something, dog, but you are going, dog.
Mm.
I go left in, dog. I get to break out to her. I don't want to late, you know, man.
I don't know your things going on.
G.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, manners.
Any phone case for you, my friend? No? Alright, have a beautiful day. Yeah. Like a hairstyle.
Nothing was so.
I'm gonna hear it.
Would be nice.
The food ready, you know. You hear what me say?
Yeah, me hear what you say a while ago.
What me say?
Me hear what you say. Why
What
you...
me say? By the way, where you there on phone you? As you hear me, I come here and shuffle now.
I'm frightened me a while ago.
So as me come before and hang up.
A G me not talk to a while ago about some business.
Who?
G.
So if me call you right now and tell me say you need me on phone.
Call him. Call him. Come on, why you be so? Or why I'm not telling a lie?
Jay, why you there on phone? And what me just say? You want G there on phone and you talk soft? Yeah, what?
Where interrogate me for, brother? You come ask me one bag of question. You ask me something like I'm tell you the truth. And you behave like you lie me I tell you, brother. Me a big man, man a boy.
So if you're a big man, act like a big man.
What you mean act like a big man?
You
So,
act
what
like
me...
a little boy. You act like you can't reason.
You know what? You know what? I better me just go my separate ways and me give him bun. I know about that try to work out.
That you should do. Why I never do it? Why make I never do it? You that better off right now. You know what, Jay, I'm not an argument. The food again, if you want, you come for it.
Yeah, man, people, I sight there, no, man. Me have the ring and me have the gold diamond chain and everything I sell out, you know. Right, you saw the stall. Right at the plaza, you say, you know. What Annie Plaza. I would them know about this. Yo, me have everything I sell. Watch, shop. Ooh, baby girl. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. Oh, look at you. Me have the ring for match a finger here, you know. You married?
No, I'm not. Man.
Right now, you're taken. I swear to you. Oh, my friend. No, you're hot. You new. I first me I see you.
This are yours as well?
Yeah, man, on my side that too, man. You want something over here, sir?
Yeah,
As a matter of fact, baby, you don't have to pay me. Just take up anything you want. You just look good for the picture of them, sir. Just go over there, sir, man, and take up anything you want, my friend.
Me need a phone case.
You need a phone case? Any phone case you want, baby, man. Just come to, man. Anything you want, man. iPhone 13, iPhone 15, iPhone 16. What kind of case you look for? The 15? Yeah, man. See it, yeah? I hate it now.
Nice.
Yeah, baby girl, it 50 freckles them in your face. You know, see how pretty. Ay! Nice, man.
So how much it is?
See you. I normally 3 grand I sell them for you now. But you see all that smile right now, I'm not telling you I'm going to get it free, but you can give me just give me a number. Just give me a number and I can make you get that. Just go up on a date with me, is it? What is your name, baby girl?
Well, it's Chastity.
Chastity? Oh, bastard. Hey, your mother never tell a lie, no, baby. Yeah, man. I hate, man. That case I fit your Chastity. Which side you come from?
Well, I'm from the countryside, but I recently moved out up at Kitson.
Kitson? Liar. You just come there?
Yeah, very recent.
I never see you before, no, baby girl. Remember, you know, so that's where I come from? So which part of Kitson? You live near the zoo there, sir?
The park?
The park.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I see you, man, we are talking, man. You live near there, sir?
Yes.
You're walking distance, you know, baby. Chastity. A regular man can come check you in a four, you know. God.
Funny.
No, man, big man thing, man. I come give you a link, man. Say less. Say you can give me a number.
I mean, I guess I could why not, because I'm here to meet people there, so.
Yeah, man. Say number on the thing, on the app, man. Put the number on the app, is it? Phone case, baby girl. No, big up, see you here.
Alright, you can give me a ring or shoot me a message, it's fine. You know.
Baby girl, you don't have to ask Christ, man. I just up you.
So it's free, right?
Baby girl, I want you.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
You too.
All right, baby. You want any food, baby girl?
Yeah, we could get some pie. Hi. How much is the pie?
9 bills for a pint.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, no problem, no problem. Anything for you, baby girl.
No, thank you.
What is wrong with you? Anything for you?
My son's sweet.
Just like she don't.
Yes.
Hey. Respect.
All right, boss, reach it.
Yo, G. Where go on? Hi, Chastity.
Hi.
You know her?
Oh, yeah, I know her.
Say I did.
I'm there, man.
Everything good?
Well, since I need to use the machine, I guess you guys can use this time to catch up.
No, I want to talk to you.
No, it's fine. You guys can catch up. It's okay.
All right, don't go far enough.
Just right over there.
All right, baby.
Okay?
All right.
Where you know her from?
What do you mean by women know her from my girl?
Where you mean your girl? I share girl, I tell about no, brother.
No, I can't have the same girl. I'm my girl this.
Dog, I that really do, brother.
What me do?
Me tell about your girl and go seek water, bro, and look at me and what, brother?
I'm not going to be anything about my family, but you don't have your woman.
Brother, that nothing to do with it.
What you mean it ain't nothing to do with it?
Bro, me can't me think me a friend, dog.
But you have a girl already.
Brother, that don't matter, brother.
But you can't have all of them. Me can't get one.
Brother, imagine me tell about the girl, dog, and you go behind back, go seek water, brother, and go look girl behind back, brother. Me don't like that, brother.
And I saw it going on. You know, say I'm a star, she come and me meet her, and we just start talk. The girl say she like me, and me like her too. What you mean?
Me lose her here, bro. Me think me and a friend, dog. Me lose her
But we are friends.
So you hide this from me then. Suppose me not buck you up.
But she never really want me to put the thing out there, you see me? Because she say, okay, and low key it until we break it out big, you see me?
Brother, listen to me, I say to you. I'm like, me dead serious. If you feel friendship stand, bro, you have to go left for her, dog. You see me? You have to go left for her, brother, because I'm me first, I look at her, brother.
What you mean by me for go left her?
That what
Might
mean,
have
bro.
picked the thing that, brother.
Brother,
What kind of style that?
yo,
My
everything good,
youth.
man.
Yeah,
Yo,
how much woman you want?
that no matter, bro. Everything good,
You
dog.
already have a good woman in your life. You live with the woman for much in years. And me finally I get to a relationship and that you want to come match up.
Brother, all the way I say, brother, I don't talk with it, brother. So if they're gonna work it, then I work it, bro. So if I want friendship stay, yo, look at me.
My youth are really, sir. I say you stay, dog. I say you stay.
What I mean by doing in the first place? I should have done it right now, you know? Let's feel like going back.
Why?
Like, I'm not supposed to do right yourself because
Well-
you're my friend of something going on.
Obviously, you felt the need to be here. That's why you are here, you know. And me and your friend have nothing going on. We are friends.
Well, him think you know have something going on.
Well, that has nothing to do with me. And I like me feed him no story.
I don't know if, I honestly don't know if I believe.
No, believe me, you know.
Calm down.
I'm right here, Daddy. You want something to drink?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Which one? This one? Cool.
I'm glad to. That's glad to and Gina look at.
No, you're not worried about it. Just drink it like a shot. It's fine. It's yummy, right? Mm-hmm. Just finish it. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Yes, Daddy?
What are you up to right now?
Nothing interesting. What's going on?
Look through your window.
Oh, you're downstairs?
Yeah. I have something important I want to talk to you about.
You can't wait.
I'm here. I'm downstairs. What are you talking about? Wait. I need to speak to you right now.
Alright, give me a second. Me go wrap things up and come.
Alright. Okay.
Don't go anywhere now. I'll be right back. Daddy, what going?
You going to do?
Yeah, but alright.
Alright, you sure?
Yeah, but I mash up some work, you know.
Mash up works.
Yeah, I try to keep myself busy.
Huh. I hope you not give yourself no trouble, you know.
Not at all.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I don't want to go get no call, say boy, you know. A and B and C. You don't know what I talk about already?
No, man, you're not worried about me. I'm cool.
Oh.
Well, honestly, not all the time, you know, because sometimes I feel the urge me to fight back. But
You feel the
me
urge?
alright.
Well, it's not a bad time to feel the urge, you know, because the more you go do, have a little, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you rub your hand together because you well want to hear what me have to say, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, what happened, you know, so we go around and we do the little map of the island, the troubled areas and stuff.
Mm.
And since you in this community, You know, we have a little person on the radar there. You know, them don't have the division, they're having a hard time, but I'm going to solve that for them one too. You understand? So I was thinking that, hold on, you sure say everything all right, right?
No, man, you're good, man.
Okay, good. All right, so what me have now in place is that I'm going to send in for the Dan, the Petersfield. Yeah.
Well.
An easy piece of something, because we get everything in Love Beautiful Woman, in easy something. And you don't know you, once him see you, and you know what to do. Not even if you tell nothing. But me just give you a little details on your phone, exactly where and what and how and where to find him. Because we have all of them things about, in order for us to get him out, you know, say, you know, you go. We are rub your answer, when I rub your answer, I know say,
Cause guess who the is
yeah,
back?
but just be careful.
You don't have to worry about me, daddy. You know, we don't leave trails.
Oh. So, yeah, adapt then. Everything alright, that's what I say, right?
Well, like me tell you, say, everything cool, but sometimes I get the urge, but, you know.
But you have that urge thing there. But anyway, I go prep you up and give you a little insight how I go on. But I go just text you the info and stuff.
So, I can find it on the street, and no problem there.
At the least, man.
Alright then.
Ah.
Tonight. No, we can't do it tonight because I'm free and I remember.
Alright, no problem. But as me say, we don't want to stay here long because we don't want to look too suspicious and anything. So.
Alright, me I get
You go
30
send it.
minutes to send in the information.
You never send the information.
No
You just go
longer
deal
than
with
30.
it. You just go deal with it. Alright? Because we know so we can count on you. Alright? So take care, yeah?
You're one lucky guy. Hi.
Hello.
Good night. I'm having whatever he's having. What's that, Jagger? No, give me a rum stripe instead. It's the first I'm seeing you.
I mean, should I answer that to you?
Well, I guess that's true.
Which one I go for?
I'm not from here actually, but I've been here for a while.
Okay.
Yet to meet somebody as handsome as you.
You look nice though.
Well, thank you. So, what's your name?
Don't say me then, because I'll have it.
Alright, I know bad. I'm Chastity.
Justin. Nice to meet you, Justin.
Lovely meeting you too.
So I bring you on there, sir.
Technically work, but right now I'm on vacation.
You know what I say? Since I live close to yourself, I want to say I usually there I'm from.
Yeah, you think so?
That one.
You like crazy?
What about like, what say you know?
Okay.
So,
Well-
so far, no person one.
So I guess I could exchange the number.
I don't really do the phone thing, you know. Just not
Okay.
much matter. Stay just find no way, man.
So you communicate.
They just find no way, because I'm here on the place, you know. Anybody who want to leave, they just find no way.
Okay, that's kind of high.
So which part of let's leave.
Well, for now, I'm the winter's back. You familiar?
Yeah, man, I know which part that, man.
Alright, so you can find me right there, so.
We'll find no way, man.
You come in so till you look about breakfast though.
The hungry man.
Where you come from?
How about G when they stay?
Over here?
G.
So why me couldn't get your phone?
My phone is dead, I'm charging the phone.
You always left your charger. Some deal?
But even know, so that's a Bible study stay. Me and G got a Bible study last night, you know? And the pastor said, chat like a preacher, brother.
For your information,
we just-
preaching no go on a Bible studies.
No, man, me I saying just a chat like a preach. But
See, you know, so me can, you know what, make it stay. You see a Bible study you go? Fine. Me I left for work, me now come in till late.
do you listen up?
What?
How about G yard must stay for true?
You know, what you prolong it for? You know, see a G, you just stay okay then?
So me so tired. Me so tired, so we just
Well,
still
okay.
can drive come over.
Okay. Alright. We are prolong it for you, say over G, you just stay, make it stay then. Later, me now come over early. Aye.
Hello.
Hi. How going, G?
Where are David?
Good. I'm alright.
Yes, sir. Man, I really do appreciate you coming out, you know. Yeah, man. This is like what, my second date?
Technically.
Yeah, date, but.
Jimmy, can I ask you a question? Sorry for this table. But just it really about me. I want to get it out. Sorry, my
It's
bad.
okay.
When last you see the CJ?
I'm see him a couple days ago.
Couple days ago. So so I'm telling me same sleep him crash your place last night. Huh?
Him do what? Oh! Sure. I can't be so focused, fully focused right this man. You see, I'm a new girl and I'll look at something like. But yeah, man, yeah, when he said, me see him last night. And that did he say? Oh, but me see him last night, man. Yeah, we go out and we did drunk.
Which
We did
part you
drunk.
go?
We drunk. Huh?
I wanna go.
Club we go, man. A club we go. A club
Oh,
we go.
so another thing tell me do.
So I went to kind of drunk, you know. I went to tell you so we go. I mean, never remember. I went to tell you.
If no Bible studies, you know, so no go run with your auntie.
Me can't. Wait. Me talk about this now. Me try to talk.
You figure out what I have to figure out, man. That good.
No, man. I studied with you.
Alright, anything you say.
So what do you want to drink, baby girl?
Oh yeah, cold like beer, the lemon one.
No.
I have to check. Give me a sec.
I bring a strong shot of rum for me.
Come for a rain and
Hey, come on, right now, all important.
Beer, how we are doing so early? You know what I'm saying? Come home late.
You know the last time when you did cheat on me, not a mistake. You did cheat. Me should have left you and walk away.
So we're gonna work us again. We've been fixed it and go over that already.
Why you been fix what? You fix it with yourself. Me can't imagine you lied to me. You know say G just come down at the bar? And I tell me say you never got no Bible study?
Where me never gonna Bible study?
Okay. So where you go then?
G can't tell you that.
Where you go?
Bible study me and G go.
So what happened at the Bible study?
Me never tell you say pastor that chat like a preach.
Okay.
I'm gonna get tired. I'm just gonna go stay over G.
This done, you know.
What do you mean by it done?
Because
So,
you're a liar.
hold on. So you believe G over your man?
You lie. And if you want ants come tell me so they see I road a cheat, me I go believe them because you're a liar and you're a cheater. I don't know why I ever did things say you're going to change.
You know what? You know what me really gonna do?
What you going to do?
I go good on a G yard and I go tell him peace of mind.
Not
Because I'm tell me one lie, brother. You want to lie for me? We want to try to mash up me and you? When the one you?
I don't lie.
When the one
I
you too?
don't lie. Which Bible study you go and you over late? But you have to stay at somebody yard, eh? Me know from the time you tell me, you know, me just a careful to catch you while
If you just wish you didn't understand. Just
touch me.
listen up. Every time I go over this again.
You just always make me look like clown in the streets.
You know I'm love already, man. Nobody with that one.
Don't touch me, man. I'm serious that it's done. I'm serious this time as a judge. There's no going back. None. Just come out of the face, G.
Yeah, please. Please, just
Let's
you
leave
need to
them.
just believe me.
We need some space.
No, tell you no lie.
until you can prove that.
Babe. Listen.
It's cute, no? And when the pastor come in front of me, come tell me saying soon at church, me not gonna believe. Move from
Alright.
front of me, man.
Alright. You know what I'm going to do? Right now, G,
I'm not care. Just disgrace.
You know, say something like, you know, be pick all flowers, you know. So the things set, you know.
Listen, hold on. I am so confused. Well, not confused, I'm concerned, you know.
Concerned about what?
I've never seen a friend with a friend before. I didn't know he was, you know, taken.
Who was taken?
Jay.
Taking a break, taking a sleep,
In
taking
a
a nap.
relationship. Come on, man. You know me at all. I did not know he had a girlfriend.
But water under the carpet, dust under the bridge, anything you want to call it, but that's enough for them time. Chastity, I take a whole heap of days, I take a lot of time off from work, you know, just to be here with you. I don't want to be talking about Jay and Fame situation. Him and the woman, they know what they deal with, you know. Them there, me I work on that in with you.
Listen, I'm just curious, like I said, because, you know, as a female, she sounded hurt, you know, I just wanted to know he's not like using her and, you know, lying.
I mean, I like the fact that you're concerned, you know? It shows that, you know, you have a heart. I'm like this. You see me? But I know for them time now, Chastity, it is our time. Like, all right, the long and the short, them there. Is fear a good man, them in a long time relationship, like 9-10 years now. Go give her a take. So, so why you pull your hand from me?
No, I'm just a wonder. So, like, in the sleep yard or not? Yeah, just a ask. Just curious.
Come on, Chastity, man, we could focus on with date.
So,
man.
like,
I mean,
yes
this is a
or
nice
no?
place. But
So, did he sleep over? Yes? Oh, that makes sense, because, like, why mother cheat on him girlfriend, like, which party mother go, right? Right. So, I mean, alright, it's whatever.
But
No, it's fine, it's fine.
you sure? So we don't know. So we can focus on we know.
Definitely.
All right. So
Yes.
so good. Like so, where you want us to take this? Like, I feel like
Probably we can just cut the day short because I had something to do, so. No, it's like, you don't have to worry about it, man.
but me take the day from work because me say me I give you the time. Me I put in the
Well,
time.
like when you work for yourself, you can just go to the stall and open up and finish your day, and I'll finish mine. And when me get some time, I give you back a call, yes? But don't worry about it because, you know, we have the rest of our life to spend together. Don't worry, but listen to me. We are good. Understand?
We good.
Yes, definitely. And I'm gonna miss you so much. But I have this one thing I need to get done. But you need to get done right now.
But you never did that if you deal with it earlier. Like you couldn't do it before. No. You can't deal with it
Honestly-
afterwards. No.
Honestly, what happened today kind of ring a bell. Because me did completely forget. Because, you know, I'm so caught up with you and all that. But we will figure out another day. Cool? Just don't overthink it. It's okay, baby.
You sure?
Yes, I'm positive. Look at me. Would I be lying?
No. All right, you are. I got just go back in at the evening and do some work and then I just wait for you to come. I just really hope you just come this evening.
I will, and guess what? Next time lunch is on me for all of this, sir.
You just know if I say the right things anymore.
Later, baby.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Go on. Yeah, did.
You know, me put already, no, brother. So when I come, I'm not gonna laugh with you, but I don't yeah. I don't friend you, you know.
What you mean, then, my brother?
But right now, I want to cut the friendship between me and
So, what you mean? What you talking about? What really you talking about?
brother. Mom tell me, say, dog, give her all information, dog, say, we never sleep here, dog.
Me tell your woman that? Apple J, look for me. Would I never do something like that, brother?
Brother, don't play a blind eye to this, brother.
Fambo, me not lie to you. Acha, I gotta tell you exactly what happened. I go to the bar, brother. And I want to tell you, so when I'm there at the bar, she attacked me with the question when I'm there on my date to talk to my woman. You see me? And so she just attacked me with the question. I'm never sure how to answer it. My buck sure for me not gonna lie to you, but I never tell her, say, yo, you never did that.
You really looking at my face and tell me to date with my woman. Brother, I'm going to left Chastity alone, brother.
Jeez and peace. So I really let you pray me for... I really let you pray me for now, Apple J. Apple J, you woman there, yard. You good woman. What you come about Chastity for?
Yo, you don't even understand that, dog. And me come to your talk here and I come to make sense, dog, brother. I get me say, so we just cut friendship, dogs. Cut friendship, brother.
Hold on there. You really tell me say, woman you gonna make we lose the friendship over? Woman you gonna make come between us, brother?
You make the woman, alright, what woman I say? You make full woman, make you tell my woman to never block say the night. Cause she, how much she make it do that? How for she?
Big brother, you have your good woman in your yard over almost 15 years now. And me never know you would have pray me for this. Honest to God, me never think say you would have pray me for this. I want girl, you know. And me get the opportunity to talk to the girl. Me never did know from beginning in the family. I never know, you know. But me cannot believe saying right now, you're so with you stand up. You really are gonna look at me and tell me, say, yo, you'd have break a friendship over blouse and skirt. That
You mess with my and you mess with your good brother. Because you should think about to do with my woman. I want to say my woman, I talk about Chastity, brother. You see me? And no matter what, dog, as I say, friendship done, dog. Friendship done, boy. You see, next time I say dog, Chastity, brother, I got this, dog. The best believe that.
Apple J.
Hello. I know you see me from across the road, you know.
That no matter what you say.
How say you choose violence? Me I call your phone, me I text them, reach out to you on Instagram, everything you know answer me. So we in a malice now?
No matter how much, but what may ever go on now go work out. Trust me, I'll be honest with you. Because I'm a friend at war right now. And I think that because of you. And also, the woman in my yard. So it took like overcast my relationship.
Oh, your woman in your yard?
Yes, me woman.
The one of me the happy find out about because of arguments.
No matter, right now, it no matter.
It matter because remember say you never tell me about she, you know. Me have to find out one different way. You could have tell me that. I'm not say how she come between. She should have come between me and you.
No,
What you mean?
listen, I say, I'm serious about this. I'm serious.
First of all, no relationship no do this the way you fight for because you're woman toxic. Uno no have no little nothing goodness about uno.
Before I go do, I have one question I want to ask you. If we continue relationship we have, right? Is it that you're going to left me friend alone?
Well, anything for you, because me really like it, you have to believe. Just listen, your woman not have this. This better, believe me, me have more for offer to you. So you done?
Yes, I'm serious. You know what I say?
What else?
The sister is a master manipulator.
No, those that.
And listen, I'm me write the book on that. You get me I say? So here one. Have a nice day, here.
You get to say one thing, me I get to say mine now. You see the same way you spread your bed, I saw you have a line. Right? And remember say me know what you and your woman lay on your head.
What that's supposed to mean?
I don't know, let's see.
Should I take that as a threat?
Probably.
Babes, what happened? See on to myself. Stop going someone. I want to get a punch a while ago on the road. You know? I think you whole life front take care of my shop.
Oh, bro.
Stop going, so no?
You know something, I do something?
So you can make live good for once.
Why? You never know that when you go do something, I know you not apologize.
Alright, I'm sorry, babes. I'm very sorry.
I don't want it.
Stop going, someone.
What, MJ, what?
You know, we're gonna divorce later.
Chow.
Hmm?
You just know I forget me.
We're gonna divorce, man. I'll eat ice cream and choose to in water and something.
But me can't wait till the later. You can't go and go buy it now and we eat it here and watch our movie and stuff.
Anything for you, baby. Alright?
Alright.
I get the free and come back here.
Alright, may I go and show up. But I follow up then, may I go and show up until I come back.
Alright.
Love you. B, why you knock on your own door? You don't have one key. Come now.
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Afternoon.
I know it's a sad moment for you right now. Condolences to you. But we're just doing our preliminary investigation. And right now it seems as if it might be a suicide, but we cannot rule out any foul play. But I not know any other information you can give us. Like what happened? What was happening earlier?
Officer, it's like me and her gonna go through some things, to be honest, and work it out and thing. Even today, I've went on to get some ice cream for her, and that is when I come back and found her dead.
So is in that short space of time?
That short period.
See, that is why I find it hard to believe that it was a suicide. Is there anyone that was in any kind of arguments with her, any confrontation recently?
I'm not sure, you know, to be honest, because she's a girl like this, from home to work. So, really and truly, I'm not sure because she never said nothing to me, say she has somebody in a disagreement or nothing at all. So, I really don't know.
So if she and nobody is in any disagreement and she's not having any issues that she would want to hurt herself, it kind of not add up. It not add up. Stanley. This is a tough one. But you have to hold it, Stanley. You have to be strong for her. You understand? Because we're going to figure this out, you know. We're going to figure this one out, man. So there's nothing else you can tell us.
Nothing at all, officer. Nothing. Like, I really don't know what happened. I really don't know.
But you know, it's still kind of fresh. I don't know. You probably can come back to the station. Make a few days pass or so. Settle your mind. You understand? Get some clarity. And then come back to me. Right? Yeah, man. I feel like we probably can make some progress that time. But for right now, you have been very helpful. You understand? So we have to give you your credit there. So just take your time and take your time to breathe.
We may have differences, you know, but couldn't stay away with them here the news.
But just sorry the way I'm treating her, brother, I swear. It's like them say cow never know you say tell until it gone, brother. And now I know the meaning of it.
No, I can't. Therese, no, she no strike me if it that person if it kill herself doing her, brother. She no seem like that person. I don't know why, but why?
I don't feel like this is my fault. swear, bro. May I be honest with you. Based on how I treat her, I just feel like this is my fault.
I can't imagine how you're feeling. I can't imagine it because I've never had a loss like that before, but she was also my friend. So, and it hit me real, real hard. A good woman you did have in her brother. She love you, she check for you, She always a check on that and make sure say you're alright. And even though you're doing your little foolishness on my road, she still put up with you.
I'll be honest, bro, I never appreciate that. Like, I really never did appreciate that, bro. I'ma feel so messed up if you know what really happened. Like, I think about why she killed herself, brother. I really want to know. I'm just ask Father God, please, to just tell me. Say for me,
Sorry, man. I still this rough. They are with you, man. Nah, like.
respect one. Respect.
Yeah, man. Just know, say we're there for you, bro. Can't imagine none of this. I've never had a loss like that. But Terrence was my friend. So, we're there with you, is me. Brother. There for you, bro. Straight.
Chastity,
1 second.
babe.
Wanted to see you, babes. Like, I need to talk to you.
Wait, hold on. Talk to me about what?
Oh, our friend and the loss of his girlfriend, Apple J, Teresa.
Okay, well, what about it? What we need for know?
She's dead. What you mean? She killed herself. Like, I just wanted somebody to talk to.
Oh,
her
that's sad. I can't do this right now. Do I have stuff I need to get done?
What do you mean you have stuff to do? Like, this is. I need you.
But I have things to do, things that are important. You should understand,
Babe. What is it that is so important that you want to push me aside right now? I'm coming to you because I need you. I need somebody to talk to. I need your shoulders to cry on.
Well, no matter how much you cry, me can't go fix it, so it not even make sense. Listen, me have like a lot of things to do and it's just not a good time.
Why are you being so dark?
She already do what she do, so there's nothing what we can do, Probably Apple J need you can console him.
I was over there. I talked to him. I need somebody to talk to now.
But I need some space right now. Just to get this done, that's it.
But babes, why are you being so cold right about now? Like you don't care.
I am not being cold. It's just that them they toxic, right? Them did have a lot of problem. He's better off now.
What? How could you say such things?
Well, somebody had to say it,
Oh my God. No, sir. You weird.
I cannot bring back the dead. There's nothing I can do.
I think for sure we deserve to break this. Like, yeah.
What?
Well, yeah, man. I think we need to really take a break. So, I'm gonna give you a space where you say you want it all along.
No, hold on, wait a minute. I need space tonight, just right now at this moment after 8. No.
No. Chastity, I think we're gonna call it a day. I'm sorry.
No. You don't call the shots. I do. You're not leaving me. What are you talking about?
See what I'm saying?
Wait. What do you mean?
Chastity, it's over.
Well, if I can't have you, then so be it.
You're just weird.
So be it. Hi, baby. How are ya? So now we have to pick up back from our car.
Good afternoon, officer.
Afternoon, sir.
So, I get a call that I supposed to come by the station. I was wondering if this is about my girlfriend. That,
Yes and no.
why?
Well, we don't have any more leads pertaining to your girlfriend's death. But no, there's a new murder. Right? I'm not sure if you're familiar with Leon Brown.
That's LG, right?
LG Leon Brown. Yes, I would believe so.
Yes, he's my best friend.
That's your best friend. Okay, so the thing is, Mr. Brown is dead.
Weird. Oh, LG did know.
See, that is what we want to find out because you are friends with Mr. Brown and your girlfriend just died, so you're a suspect right now. Why is it your friend and your girlfriend dead?
But only can't have me a suspect because I would have killed my girlfriend. I would have killed my best friend.
A lot of people commit a lot of crimes that they wouldn't normally do, right? So at first, the police was of the belief that it was a suicide with your girlfriend. We haven't gotten back the autopsy to confirm that it was definitely a suicide. You understand? And then now, we have Mr. Brown is dead. And Mr. Brown is your friend as well. And based on investigation, you were one of the last persons to speak with Mr. Brown.
Well, I can say the last time I see my friend it was when my girlfriend did, and he come by, and he was showing his condolences and such stuff. And then he leaves. So I don't know enough about it. So I don't understand how me they are suspect now.
See, that is it. I'm not sure. You think that they were probably involved in somewhere or farm?
No, so I don't think so.
But two people very close to you are now dead. You see where this is going?
Yes, I can't believe this.
Well, the police will continue to do their investigation, but as for right now, you're a suspect in the case. And I don't know if you can still assist us. If there's anything that you need to tell us, you need to tell me now.
Obviously, I don't know at all. Because as I said, I come home because someone dead, and me never know my friend until you tell me.
So you're innocent then?
Very innocent.
Soup safe with jump at the same time.
Soon take a look at it. Right? Okay.
Sharp police.
You're blind, you don't see your badge?
No, I don't.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Why are you doing it?
Why not?
Listen, you know I'm talking with her. Honestly, why not talk with her? And why not tell the police?
It was just not important to mention. But don't worry about it. Listen, I'm inviting you over. When you come, I'll give you all the information you need.
I never think about that.
No, you just come now. Me and make dinner. You know, we can drink some wine after and make up back. Because honestly, I really miss you.
I'm hurt.
You're gonna come now?
Yes, I'm on my way.
Alright, the door is open, okay, baby? Okay? Babe.
Well answered. Let's get to the point.
You know, I feel rush things. I'm about to tell you. You can sit down. I order some food and it won't come.
You just tell me say I cook.
Yeah, because you know the same thing. You can just listen, just sit. Just sit.
Just start, you don't have to touch me, just start.
Okay, what is it that you want to know?
First and foremost, why you never tell me say police?
Because in the department that I am, I can't really give out certain information, you know.
Yeah, but at least with the with our intimate relationship, so at least you could have shared that with me.
Yeah, but me never know if I could have trust you yet. You know, and then you break off things so by the time me get comfortable, you know, you walk away. So
Okay.
but I'm sorry, you know, with all the information, you probably feel betrayed. But you should feel like that because it just work, you know. So why were you at the station?
You know that girlfriend has died.
Oh,
Fire
yeah.
in her house dead.
Mm-hmm.
And also my friend, which is your friend, dead as well. And them call me in for some questioning and thing because them say well, I was the one who close with them.
Oh, you went there voluntarily?
No, them call me.
So you went there voluntarily? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what did you tell them?
I tell them, say, go come home from work one day, say, woman dead. And G, I don't know when dead, I go hear say him dead. But
Right.
why you not feel no way about G dead either? And you and him the other thing going on?
Well, honestly, honestly, I'm not feeling way, but me do really like you more. So is that no really take a toll on me, you know? And to be honest, it kind of I gonna make we get closer now because I'm not really in the picture anymore.
It better we just be friends. Because I don't trust what go on. Because for a move coming in the community, me and my friend break friendship. Me and my woman not get along properly. No, the two of them did. I know me find out say a police, so this kind of suspicious.
Well, technically, I was not the cause of your relationship thing because you guys weren't living good in the first place. So.
Yeah, but since the coming in the picture, it get worse.
Well, I mean, that's not such a bad thing, you know. You know, probably just the universe at work, you know. It'll help if we get closer to each other because
I don't think of the universe. I think it's just salt. I think it definitely upon you. So, honestly, as I said before, it not gonna work.
all right, so like break that down because I'm not sure if I understand.
I don't want nothing with you. We're done. Because you come like a pistol into my life.
Them so words are win and blow is unkind, but your words, they're unkind. And like, really and truly. And me not think you fi sitting in front of me with a weapon and I be rude. So like, maybe we can just rephrase that.
I have to just think about the difference between my.
Oh, wow.
Let's go down.
I gave you enough time to talk. I think it's my turn. Yes? See, it's your girlfriend we love so much. I discuss all of the damage, you know, my beautiful thing. I used to your best friend. Him did I do too much. Like, what do you mean by you want to break up with me? That's crazy. You know? Him never have the anger. I had it. So, you want to break up with me? That was so awful. So maybe you would have want to like think about what you do right now because I'm not afraid to use this. I'm trained.
Don't move. Put down the
Drop
gun.
it. Drop it.
Put down the gun.
Drop it. Drop it.
Put down the gun. Hey, we shoot you now.
You want to go against me? Drop it.
Oh my God.
happened now? Why you here so late? What happened?
Are you alone though?
Of course I'm here alone. And what is what happened? Why you behaving like that? Eh? What happened now? What happened?
You know,
Why you look so jitter? Just come out and talk now. And what happened?
are you alone though?
Yes, obviously.
Oh, me and somebody did have a misunderstanding.
And? Nah, Jesus, please. Not tell me.
Me not think dash with somebody again, you know. Nothing too serious. I know nobody important.
You dash somebody not too serious. What kind of straight up your argument?
I know
What
nobody
happened?
important.
What happened? What happened?
Then just did I get on my nerves. I'm never like how they did that cheat me. So me just...
So what you do? Analyze somebody just because of that?
No, but that reasonable, you don't think so?
Jesus Christ. Look here, man. You know I change.
Lower your voice, daddy.
Look here. Look here. Me, I run out of favors, you know. Every time you keep up your foolishness, me have to keep on. I put a different division, different... Nobody now hear me I say, man. What you do now? What you do? Talk. Jesus Christ. What you do now? Talk to me.
Well, Uncle, daddy, just... Me kill one girl and one youth. And me that sure by the way you asked me to get rid of.
That's a problem, you know. Yo, look here, man. A problem you ever put me down, you know, because what you want me to do now? Me have to go send you go somewhere else, something? Like that me have to go do now again?
Just do what you have to do, you know.
So when you have to stop them foolishness, yeah? You need... Jesus Christ, man. Put your head... Look here, man. When you have to stop them foolishness here?
Daddy, I can't help it and I like something when me ask. So the feeling just come over me and me have to act on it. You know this.
What? Jesus Christ, no. What me I go do?
But listen, I promise, me not leave no trail.
You said that and you've been saying that, and every time I keep putting you somewhere, you're coming back to me with some kind of foolishness.
But this time, me not leave no trail. I just one person. Maybe me have to go kill him to where you think.
You listening to yourself? You listening to yourself? Eh? You forget who I am, right? Eh?
No, Daddy.
So now me I forgot to do something and put you somewhere else because you do something, you analyze somebody. And it what it look like now is you definitely at fault. Whatever it is. So definitely me have to go. Oh God, man, they have put me too much now, man. When is it gonna end?
Well,
when is this going to end?
Well, it just a start because one police involved.
What? Police?
Yeah, detective I that work with one night time. Mr. Barnes.
Jesus Christ, man.
Yeah, but me shoot him, say me be dead. Me
you know why? No, man, no. This gone from bad to worse now, man. Oh, shoot. All right. God, man. What is wrong with your child? Me never expect you to be like this. Me just ask you 1 and 2 times to do favors. It's coming like it get to your damn head. Every time you come to me with some foolishness.
I mean, each time you ask me for dash one body, me just want to do it all over.
I don't even like your body language. No, me I forgot put you somewhere. Anyway. All right, listen. Let me think. Wait. I forgot move you far again. You need to stop this, all right? You hear me? You hear what me say?
But what we are going to do about the witness?
Jesus, please, me don't know. All right, here what? The witness, leave the witness alone. Me will deal with it, all right? As a matter of fact, just leave everything. Go straight to your auntie, all right? Don't even bother ask a question. Just go there and prepare and forget out of this country. You understand? Just leave it alone. I will deal with it. The way you move, you come like you're on drugs or something.
No, man. I'm not upon no drugs. I just something I enjoy doing. You know that?
Look here, man. Just go to your auntie. All right? Just go to your auntie.
All right.
Jesus Christ, man.
background film? We offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.